can eat it. I like it very well. Just give me your address. I'm going to send it. See, I mean it, so I'm serious. Any day you say you're coming to Nigeria, just tell me. I will prepare abacha and dry it and pack it for you. Very simple. And any day you say you're coming to Nigeria, I will prepare it, dry it, package it, and keep for you. I promise you. Abacha, I promise you. Very simple. I can go to my Iman. If not because of rain yesterday, would have do gadu this morning, but we have shifted this tomorrow. So anytime they just tell me, I will get abacha for you, prepare it, dry it. I will just anywhere you are, we will deal it. Very easy. We can do it with this anytime, any day. That one stuff, you know, get weight, you know, they get power. Once you dry, it's very light. This is what you normally use to cut it anytime, any day. My children can do it. Okay. See, let me see. Let me see. By tomorrow, by God's grace, if I can make it tomorrow because of the garden, if I cannot make it, let's say, if I cannot make it tomorrow, it should be on Friday. Let me get the abasha, I will let you know. So that when I will go live, I will teach you how to do it. Very easy. Okay? It's just that right now, we have pushed all the cassava. But let me quickly check. Let me onion. The never had in the farm, man. Take it out of the farm. Mama, that cassava on one side, we fuck the girl. You can't have a orange, a bit grape. Wait, let her shake one. If I can get any cassava now, we teach you very easy. There's one cassava we failed to approve. That day we are doing that. I want to check whether my husband uprooted it. Hey, you're welcome. You're welcome. He's saying the life is not clear. It's from the network. Oh, it might be network. It might be network. But everything is clear here. It might be network.